Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C serum. This powerful antioxidant can significantly improve your skin's appearance. It helps to brighten your complexion, reduce dark spots, and protect against environmental damage. We'll cover everything from choosing the right product to proper application techniques and storage tips. Get ready to unlock a radiant glow with this essential skincare step. Let's dive in and learn how to incorporate it into your routine effectively. Applying vitamin C serum correctly maximizes its benefits. First, cleanse your face thoroughly and pat it dry. Then, dispense about 3 to 5 drops of serum into your palm. Gently press the serum onto your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Allow it to absorb completely for a minute or two before applying your moisturizer. Always finish your morning routine with a broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect your skin. To get the most out of your vitamin C serum, consistency is crucial. Use it every morning to leverage its antioxidant protection throughout the day. If you're new to vitamin C, start with a lower concentration and gradually increase as your skin adjusts. Pairing it with hyaluronic acid can boost hydration, making your skin feel even more supple. Remember, patience and regular use will reveal the best improvements. Proper storage is vital to maintain your vitamin C serum's potency. Keep it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat, to prevent oxidation. If your serum changes color to a dark orange or brown, it is likely oxidized and is no longer effective, so it's time to replace it. Also, for those looking for ultimate comfort and durability, check out the link in the description for darn tough socks and other great deals. They truly offer a lifetime of comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.